Rosebud Mocha Coffee Mix is a smooth instant coffee. Each bag like this comes with 100 individually wrapped coffee packets. They are extremely convenient to take on the go or throw in your purse or backpack, so you can enjoy a delicious cup of coffee anytime. Rosebud is a Korean coffee brand that has been producing coffee beans since 1968 and blending their unique mix since 1990. Rosebud's mission to provide their international customers with delicious and convenient coffee continues to be their top priority. Rosebud Coffee is HACCP certified and distributed by Daeseng America Inc. The flavor of this instant mocha coffee mix is extremely smooth and contains a perfect blend of delicious coffee, cream, and sugar in each individually wrapped packet. The packets are uniquely designed to offer a sugar control feature. The ingredients are layered with the sugar on the bottom, so pinching the packet at the end will control the sugar flow. Pour in the whole packet if you like the full amount of sugar. If you want less sugar, then hold the end of the packet with your fingers as you pour in the powder. This will result in less sugar in your coffee. This coffee tastes uniquely Korean, which is a bit milder and smoother than traditional American coffee. This instant coffee avoids the burnt flavor you get with regular brewed coffee. You can enjoy this coffee hot or cold, according to your preference. This flavor is mocha and is slightly sweeter than original, so if you prefer a more roasted coffee flavor, you can go with Rosebud Original Coffee Mix. There are 3 main ingredients in each packet: coffee, sugar, and non-dairy creamer. This bag contains 100 servings. Each serving is 1 pouch and contains 55 calories, 1.5 grams of total fat, no cholesterol, 10 milligrams of sodium, 10 grams of carbs, no dietary fiber, and 6 grams of total sugars. This instant coffee is very easy to store and has a shelf life of over 1 year. To prepare this coffee, simply pour 1 packet into 100 milliliters of hot water. If you want a larger cup of coffee or a stronger flavor, consider adding 2 packets to your water. If you like iced coffee, you can stir the powder into hot water, then chill over ice. Now, I will open one of these coffee packets and prepare a cup of mocha coffee according to the instructions. Here, you can see the lovely dark coffee flavor. It has a delicious aroma. This coffee is extremely convenient and also cost-effective. Each pouch is simply delicious and can be enjoyed at home, work, or on the go. I highly recommend this instant coffee if you drink coffee regularly, or if you are wanting to try Korean coffee for the first time.
Enjoy. Bye bye.